Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of exporting e-payments from Tally Prime. Once you record e-payments with all the necessary bank information, you can go ahead and export e-payments. First, let's view the e-payments that are ready to be sent to the bank. Press Alt-G. Type or select banking activities and press Enter. Let's drill down from the relevant bank ledger. Now, let's further drill down from the Ready for Sending to Bank section. Here, you can view the transactions that have all the necessary details. Press Shift Enter on a transaction and you get to know more details. Now, let's export payment instructions for these transactions. Press Alt-Z. Select Send Payments and press Enter. You can open this report from anywhere in the product. Drill down from the relevant bank ledger. To configure the report, press F12. Let's view the favoring name and instrument date in the report. Now, select the transactions and press X. You can configure the settings for exporting the payment instructions file. Change the folder path as needed. Now, press E to export. The payment instructions get exported. Now, to process the payment, you can upload the payment instruction files on the bank portal. You can view these transactions in the e-payments report. Press Alt-G. Type or select banking activities and press Enter. Let's drill down from the relevant bank ledger under the e-payments column. You can find these transactions in the Send to Bank Unreconciled section. As soon as you export the payments, the transactions will be listed under In Progress. Once the files are approved on the portal, you can download the bank reverse file and import it in Tally Prime to update the status of the transactions. As you saw, you can easily export the payment instructions from Tally Prime with all the necessary information. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.